Hello everybody, welcome to another unboxing. This time we have the StarTech.com. How to find made easy. Okay, whatever. USB 3.0 eSATA hard drive docking station. So you can connect a 2.5 or 3.5 inch hard drive inside this and then operate it through your computer. Let's have a quick look around. Nothing much really. Okay, on the back, few languages, what's in the box, specs, photo, 2-year warranty, although I bought this like several years ago. Nothing really worth talking about. Now let's see, how can we open this? Okay, found it. And I do realize the camera work isn't the best. I can do nothing about it now. Okay, let's see. This is the power supply. Oh, okay, so you have several plugs. You can use whatever you have. So this is for the UK, Europe. This is a USB 3.0 cable, type A to type whatever printer like that is. What's this? I'll know soon. And this is another type of plug. I think this is American, right? US. Could be wrong, I don't know. I also have a leaflet, compliance statements. Okay, nothing really useful. What is this though? This is quite oh, this is the eSATA cable. There's an eSATA cable. I haven't seen one in probably 10 years or more. So eSATA to eSATA. I don't have a motherboard supporting eSATA, but I used to. And here's the actual machine. Alright, let's leave this aside for now. Let's take a look actually first to the power supply. Hong Kong Ide Power Supply model. You probably can see it better than I can. Oh, that's stupid. Forgot to put the light on. Okay. I'm not going to repeat the whole procedure. It wouldn't be true. Alright, HKAX120A200-CP. That's the model. Input 100 to 240 volts, 50 to 60 Hertz, 0.8 amps. That's for the input. And for the output, 12 volts, 2.0 amps, made in China. Surprised. Okay. Okay. Wow, that's well made. And here's the actual drive. I have to say it's quite heavy. I didn't expect that. I have a similar docking station from another company. I don't remember the company. And that is with room for 2 of them. So you can clone drives. Unfortunately, I cannot find the power supply for that. That's why I decided to open this, which I bought years ago. And this has only one, but it is heavier than the other one, which has 2. And in the back we have eSATA port, USB 3.0 port, and DC power port. Here you have a switch turned on and off, light for activity, and here you can see you have room to connect the actual drive. Hope you can see it. I cannot see the camera. Okay, docking station, blah blah blah. Yeah, that's it. So how does this work? Well, first you connect it, of course, to power and to your computer, and then you have like a drive. Here's a 3.5-inch drive, Seagate one, archive 8 terabytes, and let's see. Plugged. Nothing bad. And how do you remove it? Just like this. Nothing difficult. And I'm pretty sure this video is going to be terrible without the proper lighting, but or camera or many other things, but it is what it is. Let's hope it works, because I want to test this hard drive and see if it actually has a problem, or if it was just the external case that has the problem. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much to the camera for shaking, and see you next time. Bye bye.